greetings to you. My name is Haley-Louise and welcome to my channel. As you can see, we're in December, got the background all Christmassy and stuff. So before I get started with this video, I just wanted to say a huge thank you. Thank you so much for everyone who has been leaving me such lovely comments and amazing support all throughout the month of December. If you are not aware, I am doing Vlogmas, so I'm vlogging every day, putting it up the next day, and yeah, I've just really enjoyed reading all of your comments. So yeah, just thank you so much for all of those who have subscribed and who are enjoying it, and yeah, I hope you carry on enjoying it. And yeah, for anyone new who want to subscribe, feel free, buttons down there. Join in the fun, join in the Christmas extravaganza. So, it's that time of the month again. No, not that one. It's BirchBox. So, I've received the December BirchBox. It was a little bit bent here, and I thought, oh, it must be full of fabulous things. So this time, BirchBox has teamed up with Matthew Williamson, and oh my goodness, this box is gorgeous. Can you see all of this detail? There are lizards, there are birds, there are metallic flowers. Oh, it's so pretty. And then the drawer is metallic as well. Okay, let's slide it open. Definitely reusing that box. Oh my goodness. So on top here, as usual, we've got the booklet. On here, Matthew Williamson's Life's Little Treasures. So there's a little bit on the front there about the box. Life's Little Treasures is this month's theme for December. We have all the information, so I'm not going to look at that as such, but I'll look at it obviously to tell you the prices and things. And then on the back, you always kind of get like a little sneak peek. So in January's box is Choose Your Lord-and-Berry Blush. So you get a stick brush. So if you go online, you get to choose your bits, what you're gonna get. Or you can always click a button that says surprise me if you like them both, which I quite like doing. So here is, oh gosh, here is the box of contents. Not as full as I would have imagined, but it's all good. So the first item that was bending the whole box out of place is this, oh, I'm gonna get this so wrong, Gommage Festin Royale Body Scrub. And this flavour, or scent, shall we say, is caramelised honey. I know I say that I could eat stuff a lot, and yeah, to be quite honest, I feel like I could get a spoon and eat that. It's probably not the best idea. This is 97% natural, and it's an exfoliator with sugar, honey and sunflower seed oil, which you rub onto damp skin and then clean it to reveal supple, radiant limbs. Ooh, I want supple and radiant limbs. I wonder if this shall work for me. You know what? I love it. I just want to smell this all day. I've got a gingerbread candle burning behind me as well, and that combo is like, whew. The recommended retail price for that one is £14.90, and that is a sample size. In all honesty, I think that's a pretty decent sample size. I feel like you get quite a few uses out of that as a body scrub. Okay, so the next item is a LOC Colour Me Confident Vibrant Matte Lipstick, and this one is in Rouge. I think this is a brand that I have had in here before. I think I got like some kind of highlighter stick, maybe, I can't remember. I'm gonna have to like look back through my videos. But this one apparently is full-sized. Oh, I don't know about that. Let's have a look and see how much product we actually get in here. It's retractable. Okay. Well, it's pretty decent actually, saying that. I just thought, come from the packaging, it looked like rather teeny tiny, but I mean, I suppose that is perfect for fitting in your handbag. And everyone wants a red lippy at this time of year, don't they? 'Tis the season, as they say. So this one, like I said, is full size. The recommended retail price for this is £6.50, and it says this punchy cranberry shade will have you all set for the party season. We have another lip item here. So this is the Lip Tar Primer from OCC, or Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics. I've always wanted to try one of these. This is obviously a test tube. So this is a lip tar primer, and the recommended retail price for this is £15. Keep your lipstick in place for as long as you need it with this innovative primer. It smooths lips with hemp, peppermint oils and vitamin E, creating a hydrated base for a colour to cling to. That is pretty good, especially for this season. You're all out and about a little bit longer, you want to make your lippy last. I know mine doesn't, usually because I'm out eating. So good stuff, cannot wait to give that a try. We have another full-size Spectrum brush in a little container to keep it nice and safe. Get rid of that. I don't want it. Okay, so the full-size Spectrum brush is very nice, got a nice long handle, a little bit of rose gold going on. This is brush B04 and it's very soft. The recommended retail price for this is £4.99. This is a BirchBox exclusive. So it says here it's the perfect size and shape to fit the contour of your eyes. This synthetic brush can be used with powder or cream shadows to shade and define your eyelids for a foolproof smoky eye or a simple wash of colour. Yes, magic brush. Make me pretty. Yeah, love it. Always happy to receive a nice brush to add to the collection. And the last item that is in here is a clarifying shampoo. Deep cleanses and rejuvenates from Cabello. I probably am murdering that name, but you know, whatever. So this one, it says here, use it just once or twice a month to sweep away product buildup and purify your scalp for a deep down clean. Stressed out strands will be restored and your hair will be left feeling soft and shiny. Well, I'm always up for trying a new shampoo. Don't know about you guys, but you know, I'm pretty happy about it. Pretty good sample size as well. I feel like you'd get what I'd probably get with my hair, because my hair's really thick. 2 or 3 uses. Say on the back that shampoo may lift colour slightly. So yeah, do watch that one if you do have coloured hair like this. I may give that a go before I re-dye for the Christmas season. I don't know. Let's have a think about that one. But recommended retail price for this one is £13.95. That sounds pretty nice. I like the packaging on that as well. It looks very clean and dainty. Then the last piece of paper that I got with this box is a customer exclusive, save over 50% plus free delivery and £10 BirchBox shop voucher if you're new to Virgin Wines. Yeah, you get 10 bottles of wine for £5 a bottle with free next day delivery, plus you get the voucher to the BirchBox shop, and from what I can gather, you pay 50 quid for it. I will leave, there is a link to the back here and a number as well and a little voucher. So if any of you like yourselves a bottle of wine or 2, or 10 it seems, then yeah, I'll leave that below. So if you want a wine, if you've got parties or whatever coming up, by all means, have yourself a bit of money off. Okay, so that was it for the month of BirchBox. Thank you so much for watching if you have made it this far to the end. As always, all of my social media and whatnot is in the description box below. Go down there and have a nose and check out for the voucher that I'll leave in the description box also. And yeah, subscribe, come along with me on my Vlogmas journey, join in the fun, and yeah, hope you're all getting geared up and ready for Christmas. It's on its way, it's inevitable, let the panic begin. Give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for Christmas. And question of the video, are you more of a mince pie or a Christmas pudding? Let me know in the comments section down below. Thanks so much again for being here, and I will see you very soon. Bye! Cat hair somewhere. I can feel it. It's a beautiful box. So this time they have tuned up